John Juniper here.
It's not fair you're the only one who gets to meet John Juniper. I had no small part in thwarting the theater attack, you know. The head office really doesn't understand the complexities.
Signal lost.
Oh, were you on a different call? Sorry about that. Unregistered signals tend to cut out at these altitudes. I can keep you company till you get here, though. Let's see. I can have my man Gibson pick you up in 4 hours. In the meantime, I can see you're settling in. Please, make yourself comfortable. Why don't you order something to eat? This is my personal aircraft, and I like to keep it well stocked. Oh, yes, please, enjoy. I picked up a new box of these just for you. See? Look at you. You didn't need my help anyway.
Passenger identification failed. Initiating elimination protocol.
I can't believe this. My flight staff forgot to shut off the security system. I am so sorry. I'll need to have a word with them.
There, yes. Is this working? Agent, what's happening? Wait, you're heading to a Zaraxis airbase. I don't like the sound of that. Okay, I can help here. Let's see. Reroute the plane to somewhere safe. Here. Yes, I just got you clearance at the agency airport in Lisbon. You're welcome.
How on earth did you... Okay, Agent. I'm gonna need you to stop touching things. Just let the plane do its job.
Location override approved. New destination, Lisbon.
What? How did... Sorry, Agent. This plan's been years in the making. I am not letting you off this plane. Plan B. Launch the missile.
Missile threat incoming. Defense system online. Press button to activate. System malfunction. Attempting reboot. Failure. Manual reset required.
Yes, exactly. You're 2 steps ahead of me. Remove both cards. Now snap one card into place next to a symbol with a circle thingy in the middle. And you've got it. Next, locate the serial number on the panel above the memory cards. It just says here to set the slider to the number in the 11th digit. Good. All right, place the last card next to the slot with a symbol that looks like a spider? Or possibly an ant. Yes, perfect.
Come on, Agent. You're trapped on a plane above the Atlantic Ocean. There's nowhere to run. Just die already.
Never meet your heroes, Agent. Now, chin up. We're almost through this. Oh, yes, exactly. Have you done this before, Agent? Several the needles to green. Kind of like that alien we met with the Russians last summer. Oh, wait, never mind. Never speak of that to anyone. You've got it. No. I can see the missile on my radar display. Agent, we need to hurry. Now, all of the needles should be set to black. That should be easy enough for you. Good. Now, return to the memory card panel and push the slider to the number of breakers you press down in step 1. Yes, exactly. Quick, you've got it. You're a mind reader.
Defense system rebooting. Reset success. Defensive flare malfunction. Missile impact imminent. To fire flares, manually slide open dispenser on left wing while safely on the ground. Repeat, only slide open dispenser on left wing while safely on the ground.
Or dangerously in the air. You must find a way to open the flare dispenser.
What the hell are you doing?
Threat averted. Autopilot re-engaged. New destination, Lisbon.
You blew up the missile? There's only one agent who could have pulled that off, and they died on the death engine. Unless... Gibson, get Zor on the phone. I believe a pesky phoenix has risen from the ashes.
Agent, I don't know what to... I mean, John Juniper. The John Juniper tried to kill you. Oh, for the love of... Is nothing sacred? Well, that must mean he was working with the Fabricator on the theater attack. If he's involved with Zoraxis, we need to find out what he's up to.
Welcome back, Agent. Looking to take care of some unfinished business?